How to change lock screen clock in Android. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Android device and go to the home page. Then select your home screen for quite a while and then select this option of wallpaper and style. And after selecting the wallpaper and style, you just simply need to select the option of lock screen, which is right here. Just simply tap into that, and after tapping in there, it will show all of the widgets available in your lock screen. Now in order to change the clock, simply select the clock by tapping into it. And after doing this much, you can easily select any of the style that you want for your clock from here. Just simply choose any of the style that you would like to set for your clock, and then you need to tap into this done button from the top right corner, and it will be saved in your phone like this. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.